Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I got the missus out front this time, and welcome to another edition of Small Town Tours. We are in Norwalk, Ohio. So if this cool old town interests you at all, stick around, stay tuned, and we'll be back after this. And no, she's not drunk, even though she's riding like it. Right now we're on US 250 heading north from the south coming into town here, and check out the old architecture.
Check that out.
Oh, and by the way, this episode, she's leading, so who knows where we'll end up. Right turn, Clyde. And how many people know that reference?
Norwalk is the county seat of Huron County. In 1815, Elijah Whittlesey and Platt Benedict chose the town's location, and Almond Ruggles surveyed it in 1816. Norwalk became the Huron County seat in 1818. Residents named the town after Norwalk, Connecticut.
Oh, check out that church. That's awesome. You want to find the best architecture in any town, go find the old churches.
This is an old garage. Look at the signs on it. You can
Yep, 1917. That's cool.
even read it.
Back end something or other.
There's the old Barry's restaurant that has a lot of history.
In 1833, the Bank of Norwalk opened with stock of $100,000. John Gardner, who started the Norwalk National Bank in 1865, it's a direct ancestor of the Citizens Banking Company. The Milan Canal opened in 1839, and plank roads were built across northern Ohio to facilitate moving grain wagons to and from Milan. The roads and canal brought retail trade for Norwalk merchants. In 1853, the Toledo, Norwalk, and Cleveland Railroad opened through Norwalk on the near north side. This became the Lake Shore and Michigan Southern, and eventually the New York Central and Penn Central. The 1853 railroad was the last link in the New York to Chicago rail system.
There's the movie theater.
That's Sears. Well, it's a shame you don't see hardly any of them anymore.
Wow, look at that.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. I appreciate it. If you would, give me a big thumbs up if you're on YouTube, or give me a plus rumble if you're on Rumble. I would greatly appreciate it. And regardless of which platform you're watching this on, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and help me grow the channel. Again, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
The old firehouse.